Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is Zinad Naseem. Today, I'm again with you with the subject Social Science and topic is Kolkata. But before starting our topic, I would like to say subscribe our school channel St. Xavier School Hardoi and press the bell icon, like it, share among your friends. Thank you. Let us start our chapter. Listen carefully, everyone. Ridham, Abhay, Pushti, you all are here? Okay. So, my dear student, first of all, you must know about the introduction of the chapter. The Kolkata city, earlier known as the Calcutta, it is the educational, commercial, and cultural center of the eastern part of India. And it is the third most popular metropolitan city of India. It remains to be the capital of India till 1911. And now it is the capital of West Bengal. So, all of you seen this picture? Okay, I'm going to explain this. This bridge is one of four on the Hooghly River and it is a famous symbol of Kolkata. Earlier, it was known as Howrah Bridge. Now it is known as Rabindra Setu. Howrah Bridge. Have you listened all? Okay, I'll tell you, my dear students, you must know this. On 14 June 1965, it was renamed after Rabindra Setu. It was renamed Rabindra Setu after the great Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is still popularly known as the Howrah Bridge. Okay, understand? Good. Now, let us move on. Next historical heritage of Kolkata, that is Fort William. So, it was built during the early year of Bengali presidency of British India. This picture is Fort William of Kolkata. Okay. And it is also named after which king? Pushti, Ridham, can you tell me beta? Okay, I'll tell you. It is also named after King William III. Everyone remember, okay, King William III. It is a popular heritage of Kolkata. Now, we will explain next visiting place. Okay, students, see this picture. The Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanical Garden. This is Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden, previously known as Indian Botanic Garden. It is situated in Shivpur, Howrah, near Kolkata. Dear students, you must know this garden exhibits a wide variety of rare plants and a total collection of over 12,000 specimens. Okay. So, we all understand about botanical garden? Okay, let us move. See this picture? Everyone? Okay, what is this? Wow, exactly, planet is. Okay, I'll tell you, dear students, this picture telling me about the tram network of Kolkata. Okay, exactly, Kolkata is India's only city to have a tram network. Only Kolkata is India's city to have a tram network. This thing remember every students, okay? Okay. So, understand properly every students? Okay. Now, let us know about food occupation of Kolkata people. Dear students, in Kolkata, fishing is an important secondary source of income to some farmers and primary occupation in small fishing villages. Fishing is a secondary occupation to the some farmer and primary occupation in small fishing villages. Okay. One more important thing is the Bengali people are fond of rice and fish curry. Now, let us move. Dear students, can you tell me what is the important festival of Kolkata? Ridham, Abhay, Harshit, can you tell me? Okay, I'll tell you. In Kolkata, Durga Puja is in Kolkata. In Kolkata, Durga Puja is the grandest of all festival. It is celebrated in honor of goddess Durga during the period of Navratri. I hope everyone knows this. Yeah, very good. It is celebrated the victory of the goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasur. It is celebrated for 10 days starting from the 6th day. So, Durga Puja is the most important festival in Kolkata. Now we will move to Kolkata's airport. Okay. Good. Students, do you know the name of Kolkata airport? Can you tell me the name? Okay, I'll tell you. Netaji Subhash Chandra, as written here on the picture, you can see. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is an international airport in Damdam, West Bengal. Remember? Okay. So my dear students, apart from these, Kolkata have so many visiting places like Victoria Memorial, Alipur Zoo, Velar Mutt, Ravindra Sarovar, Mohan Bagan, it is an old football club, Eden Garden, it is the world famous cricket stadium, Calcutta Polo Club, it is the oldest polo club in the world. These all things you should remember. Okay, no one will forget. So these are the very important things. I hope you all understand properly. Let us move our activity. Okay, I have given here two options. These are the multiple choice question. Okay, I am calling you one by one. So Pusti, what is the main occupation of the people of Kolkata? Good, fishing. Exactly. Now Ridham, tell me, name a popular dish in Kolkata. Very good. Machar jhol. This means fish curry. Now, name the main railway station of Kolkata. Victoria Memorial or a Havra Bridge? Havra Station. Good. Right. Havra Station. Now, next question is, which is an important festival celebrated in Kolkata? Abhay, tell me. Is it Onam or is it Durga Puja? Exactly, Durga Puja. Question number 5 is, Kolkata is the capital of which state? Haryana or West Bengal? Very good, very easy. West Bengal. Good. Now, let us move our second activity. Good. Here, write T for, I have given true false. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Listen carefully everyone. Eden Garden is the world famous cricket stadium. True or false? True. Good. Eden Garden is the world famous stadium. Good. True. Right here T. Right here T. 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 Good. T. Second, Bengalis are fond of music, dance and painting. Is it true or false? Good. True. Very good. Now Abhay, tell me, Kolkata is the capital of the Uttar Pradesh? No. Good. False. Kolkata is the capital of which city? West Bengal. Right. Now next sentence is, Kolkata is one of the most important cities of Eastern India. Very good. True. This is a very important city of Eastern India. Now last sentence is, Kolkata was the capital of India during the 1947. Good. False. Kolkata was the capital of India during the 1911. Okay. Now everyone understand? Okay. Do practice at home also. Thank you.